That is all. There are no details. The Constitution is a brief declaration of fundamental principles. Many constitutional provisions are only commands to the Congress to enact laws to carry out the purpose of the Charter. As a general rule, constitutional provisions are not self-executory. Hindi naman pwede na basahin mong Constitution na para ka bang nagbasa ng dyaryo, tapos kanya-kanya kayong interpretasyon. Hindi ganon yun. Kaya nga meron tayong constitutional law, which is said to be the most difficult subject to pass in the entire College of Law. Hindi ganon kadali magbasa ng Constitution. Constitutional analysis is a field of art in itself. It is a technical field. Kaya 4 na taon ang abogasiya. Kung baska sino lang pala pwedeng mag-interpret ng Constitution, bakit pa tayo may mga abogado? Kanya-kanya na lang. The usual exceptions are the Bill of Rights. Yan, self-executory yan. Basahin mo, sundin mo. And constitutional provisions. Pag sinabi ng batas, hindi pwede ito, yan, sundin mo kaagad. Pero lahat, hindi mo pwedeng masunod kaagad-agad. Mag-antay ka kung anong batas ang ipapasa ng Kongreso. Wala kaming ginagawa sa Kongreso kung hindi mag-antay kung anong sinabi ng Constitution. That is the main function of legislation. All other constitutional provisions, such as the Sound provision, need implementing laws